Welcome to the Phoenix Range assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the chair or stool frame and the upholstered or veneer backrest and seat pad. The tools you will need are a rubber mallet, a 5mm Allen key drill, thread lock and PVC wood glue. The hardware that will be included are 4 75mm and 4 25mm long screws, both with a spring and flat washer on the end. However, if you've ordered an upholstered back, you will receive an extra 4 25mm countersunk screws with no washers, 2 dowels and 4 wooden plugs. Part 1. Flip the seat piece over and apply thread lock to the 4 holes on the underside. Place the chair or stool frame upside down on top of the seat. Thread the 75mm screws through the frame and into the seat. Finally, use the drill to gradually tighten the screws until they are secured in place. Part 2. Flip the frame and seat over so it is balancing on an angle. Grab the veneer or upholstered backrest and apply thread lock to the 4 outer holes. Place the dowels into each of the middle holes until they are half sticking out. Ensure the backrest is facing the correct way and place it underneath the frame. Line up the dowels to the holes on the frame and push firmly together. Find the correct screws for the type of backrest you are attaching and place them into the holes on either side. And finally, use the drill to tighten the screws. Part 3. Flip the chair or stool over with the back facing you. Apply the PVC wood glue to the holes with the screws. Finally, use the rubber mallet to gently tap the wood plugs into the holes. The Phoenix chairs and stools are made from solid American ash or oak timber, stained in light oak, walnut or black. They have interchangeable backrests and seats that are available in either veneer, vinyl black or custom upholstered in your choice of fabric. This range has a large rectangular curved back which is contemporary and modern, perfect for any indoor dining applications.